In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Xbox game bar is not opening or working on your PC. The first thing I suggest you do is you come here and search for game mode, open up game mode settings and head over to game bar and make sure it's turned on. So click on it to turn it on, and then after you've done that, you can just close it down. Then you want to open up CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and in here you want to type sfc /scan now. Press enter and just let it scan, and you can minimize it while it's scanning. After that, search for game bar, go to app settings or right click and app settings. In here you want to press terminate, and then after you press terminate you want to press reset and then reset again. After that you want to come here and search for Windows Update, check if you have a Windows Update. If you have one, just take it. Now if it still doesn't work after this, what you want to do is you want to come here and you want to search for PowerShell, right click, run as an administrator. Now in here what you want to do is you want to type this command, and I'll leave the command in the description so you can just copy and paste it. Press enter and that's going to reset your entire Xbox app, which is where the game bar is running from. Once you've done all of this, hopefully it should work. You can try and restart your PC and see if it works after that. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.